Have you ever wondered how chicory root became an important ingredient in foods and beverages? Each year, millions of tons of chicory are grown and harvested, playing an important role in agriculture and food processing globally. But how are they grown, harvested, and processed into different products? Let's explore the entire production process of this special plant in the video below. Chicory is grown mainly in Europe, especially Belgium, France, and the Netherlands, where the plant thrives thanks to favorable climatic and soil conditions. The growing process begins with sowing seeds in early spring when the soil is workable. Seeds are sown directly into the ground with a distance of 15 to 20 cm between plants, helping to ensure enough space for roots to grow. The soil needs to be carefully prepared, loose, and have good drainage so the roots can grow deep and healthy. Chicory prefers areas with full sunlight, which enhances leaf growth and promotes nutrient absorption from the soil. One of the key factors in growing chicory is maintaining proper moisture control, especially during the germination and early growth stages. Regular watering is essential to ensure strong and healthy seedling development. However, once the plant reaches full maturity, it becomes more drought tolerant and requires less frequent watering overall. Chicory can be harvested in two different methods depending on its intended use. If grown for root production, the ideal harvest time is in the fall of the first year or early spring of the second year. At that time, the roots have accumulated enough nutrients, reached their maximum size, and have not yet consumed energy for the flowering process. Specialized machinery is used to harvest roots to increase yield and minimize losses. Root diggers will cut away the leaves on the surface and gently lift the roots out of the ground. Avoiding breaking or damaging the main roots. They work by using sharp blades to cut close to the ground. Then a wheel and conveyor system moves the roots backwards for collection. After being lifted from the ground, the roots go through a vibrating system or rotating conveyor to remove sand and soil from the surface before being classified right on the machine or transported to the processing area. Using machines not only saves time and effort, but also ensures uniform harvest, optimizing productivity per hectare. In large-scale farms, automatic harvesters can process hundreds of tons of roots every day, effectively meeting the needs of industrial production. After harvesting, some roots will be stored in cold storage to prolong their shelf life, before being replanted in a dark environment to stimulate the growth of young white leaves, creating Belgian endive. This storage process lasts up to 10 months, helping the roots maintain quality before entering the second growth phase. When the time is right, they are moved to a warmer room where the roots are watered, maintained moist, and grown completely in the absence of light for about 18 to 28 days. When meeting standards, chicory is carefully harvested. First, the roots will be cut off. Then workers remove old and damaged leaves to keep only the young, crispy leaves. Next, vegetables are sorted by size to ensure uniformity before going through the washing and quality checking process. Finally, the chicory is packaged, stored at the appropriate temperature, and transported to grocery stores, ready to reach consumers. Belgian endive can be used in salads, stir-fries, soups, or combined with sandwiches and pizza. Additionally, it is rich in fiber, vitamin K, vitamin C, and folate, making it an ideal choice for a healthy diet. Returning to chicory roots, post-harvest processing includes many important steps to ensure product quality. First, the roots will be classified to separate those that meet standards from roots that are damaged or do not meet the required size. Then they are washed to remove sand and impurities remaining on the surface. This process requires precision and care, as any remaining impurities can affect the quality of the finished product. With the strong development of the agricultural industry and the trend of consuming healthy foods, chicory plays an increasingly important role in the global supply chain. If you are interested in this topic and would like to learn more about the process of growing, harvesting, and processing any other type of plant, leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on interesting content about agriculture. Spinach, widely recognized as one of the most nutrient-rich leafy greens, is loved around the world for its abundance of essential vitamins and minerals. In the United States alone, up to 926 million pounds of spinach are harvested annually, securing the country's status as one of the leading producers. So how is this nutritious vegetable harvested with the help of modern machinery? Let's find out in today's video. To achieve such large yields, spinach needs to be cultivated in the most optimal conditions. The main spinach growing regions in the United States are concentrated in places with temperate climates and fertile soils, such as California and Arizona. Thanks to ideal soil and climate conditions, spinach can grow strongly, creating lush green fields full of vitality and high productivity. After about 35 to 60 days from planting, when the spinach leaves are thick, lush, and nutritious, farmers will harvest. Thanks to the support of modern machinery, this process happens faster than ever. Spinach harvesting machines are designed with advanced technology and can perform many steps in the same operation, helping to save time and manpower. The structure of the harvester includes sharp blades that cut spinach close to the root quickly and accurately without damaging the crop. The integrated conveyor system gently lifts the vegetables and brings them into the pre-cleaning area, where dirt, sand, and impurities are effectively removed by air blowing or gentle vibration. At the same time, large trucks are completely synchronized with harvesters to quickly transfer vegetables to containers, minimizing transportation time, keeping vegetables always fresh, and ensuring quality when they reach the processing factory. Thanks to modern technology, the spinach harvesting process is highly efficient, both increasing productivity and ensuring uniform quality. Advanced machinery helps vegetables always reach standard size, fresh color, and maintain nutritional value, meeting the demand for high-quality domestic and international food. Not only do they bring economic benefits, these advances also contribute to protecting natural resources and promoting sustainable agriculture. After harvesting, spinach is taken to the processing plant, where it goes through many different stages to suit the diverse needs of the market. For fresh vegetables, the cleaning process is performed on an automatic conveyor system with high-pressure water jets to completely remove dirt and impurities. Then, the vegetables are gently dried using an air-blowing system to avoid bruising and retain their natural texture. Vegetable leaves that meet quality standards will be packed into sealed bags, ensuring freshness, color, and nutritional value during transportation to supermarkets and stores. addition to fresh vegetables, spinach can also be frozen to prolong storage time while still retaining all its nutrition. After washing, the vegetables are quickly blanched in hot water to prevent oxidation. Next, super speed cooling technology helps vegetables retain their structure, flavor, and nutritional value. Finally, the product is packaged airtight, ensuring long-term use without affecting quality when defrosted. To have a bumper crop, farmers apply modern farming methods right from the time of preparation. They choose high-quality spinach varieties that are suitable for the soil and climate, and rotate crops. Before planting, the soil is carefully treated with advanced methods to achieve optimal porosity. Seeds are then planted using machinery, which helps control density, distribute evenly, and increase germination rate. And thanks to the application of technology throughout the planting process, farmers can improve productivity and ensure the quality of harvested vegetables. Throughout the farming process, American farmers apply advanced methods to ensure the highest productivity and quality. Smart irrigation systems are used to provide the right amount of water, helping plants grow optimally without being waterlogged or dry. Along with that, fertilization is also strictly controlled, ensuring adequate supply of necessary nutrients without harming the environment. Crop rotation is done regularly to maintain soil fertility, limit pests, and increase production efficiency. China currently leads in spinach production, followed by the United States. To improve productivity and quality, farmers apply modern technology such as automatic irrigation, precision seeders, and advanced harvesting machines. In addition, sustainable farming methods such as crop rotation and the use of disease-resistant varieties are also applied. Facing the green agriculture trend, the spinach farming model is increasingly environmentally friendly, meeting increased consumption demand in the global market. Not only is it an important agricultural product, spinach also brings many health benefits. This vegetable is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, which help boost immunity, protect the skin, and support blood clotting. Thanks to advances in agricultural technology, the United States has established an efficient and sustainable spinach production process. The combination of modern technology and the dedication of farmers has helped spinach not only meet domestic demand, but also expand into international markets. What do you think about this video? Leave your comments below, and don't forget to click subscribe so you don't miss out on interesting content about agriculture and technology.